Which of the following is the average rate of change of the function f of x equals negative 3x squared minus x from x equals 5 to x equals 6? So average rate of change is a fancy word for slope, okay? Which means I need 2 points, an x1, y1, and an x2, y2, but they only gave me x values. So they gave me x1 and they gave me x2. I need to figure out the y1 and the y2 by using the formula for the function. So y1 is going to be f of x1, which is f of 5. So I'm going to plug a 5 into that formula. So I have negative 3 times 5 squared minus 5. So that's negative 3 times 25 minus 5. So it's negative 75 minus 5 is negative 80. So my first point is going to be 5, negative 80. That's my x1, y1. Okay, my y2 I'm going to get by plugging my x2 into the function f. So I'm going to do f of 6. So that's negative 3 times 6 squared minus 6. So I'm replacing all of the x's in this equation with a 6. So 6 squared is 36. So this is negative 3 times 36 minus 6. Okay, so I need to do 36 times 3. I could either figure out a way to do this in my head, or I could do the multiplication algorithm on the side of my paper. So I'm going to do it in my head. Talk through it so you can see how it's done. So 3 times 36 is the same thing as 3 times 30 plus 3 times 6. 3 times 30 is 90. 3 times 6 is 18. Add them together and you get 108. So that's going to be negative 108 minus 6, which is negative 114. Okay, so my second point is going to be 6 comma negative 114. Now I have to find the slope between those 2 points. Okay, so my average rate of change is the slope between those 2 points. So I'm going to do negative 114 minus negative 80 over 6 minus 5. Okay, so negative 114 plus 80, that's the same thing as doing 114 minus 80 and making it negative. So 114 minus 80. So I'm going to count up from 80 to 114 to get the difference. So I get 90, 100, 110, and 4 more makes 114. So 34. So this is negative 34 over 1, which is negative 34, option D.